Listen closely, because the life you're trapped in, the endless grind from dawn to dusk, selling your precious time for a paycheck, is a cage disguised as security. You hate it. You're desperate for a way out. The alarm screams at you, the commute crushes your soul, and every day feels like surrendering a piece of who you really are. But then they sell you this fantasy. Passive income will save you. Make money while you sleep, they say. Replace your 9 to 5 and live free. It sounds like salvation, but here's the brutal truth they don't want you to see. Passive income is not a magic pill. It's a weapon, and if you don't wield it right, it will break you. Feel that frustration burning inside, that helplessness, that fire? Good, because that energy is your fuel. You're done playing small, done believing in outdated systems that strip your freedom. Here's what needs to happen. Stop chasing the usual investments like index funds and dividend stocks and start thinking like a creator, a strategic founder of your own financial empire. Passive income isn't about lazily collecting cash. It's about building unstoppable, self-sufficient machines that work for you in ways you control, not in ways the market or some guru spoon-feeds you. Step 1. Invest in something you understand deeply, not what's hyped or safe. Real estate? Sure, but do not just buy properties and pray. Learn how to make them cash flow positive, automate tenant management, and create multiple independent income streams inside that asset. Digital assets? Build online platforms or businesses where your intellectual property or services sell themselves 24/7. Intellectual property is the hidden secret no one talks about. Own patents, courses, content that keeps generating revenue no matter what chaos hits the economy. Those are the lifeboats. Step 2. Stop thinking short term. Overnight success is a scam. Real passive income takes relentless patience, obsessive refinement, and constant reinvestment. If you want quick wins, pack your bags. This journey demands discipline and bones. It demands you face your failures and keep charging forward. Every dollar you earn passively, plow half back into your systems so they grow more powerful and generate even more income. Compounding isn't just math, it's the survival strategy. Step 3, connect. The people around you shape your results. Surround yourself with founders, investors, and leaders who don't just talk, they execute. These aren't casual acquaintances, but fierce allies who push you, challenge you, and open doors you didn't even know existed. Find your tribe that operates beyond borders, beyond flags and systems, who think global, act strategic, and invest not for status, but for transformative power. This network isn't a luxury, it's your lifeline. Here's the raw, unfiltered truth. Passive income will never be truly passive if you treat it like a side hobby. It requires you to become obsessed, to master your mindset, to wrestle control away from broken systems and own your financial narrative. When done right, passive income isn't just money. It's the key to reclaiming your time, your dignity, your freedom. It's the first step toward absolute liberation from anything or anyone who tries to cage you. So stop waiting for permission. Stop believing that comfort equals freedom. Freedom is messy, terrifying, and bloody hard-earned. Take that raw frustration you feel now and transform it into relentless action. Build or invest in real systems that can function without you, push every boundary of what you thought possible, and never settle. The 9 to 5 isn't just a job, it's a prison. Passive income, done right, is the wrecking ball. Go now, find your freedom, build those machines. Connect with the few who dare to reshape their futures. Because only through power fully claimed and systems fully mastered will true freedom rise. The choice is yours. Keep living the illusion or break every chain holding you back. This is not a game for the faint-hearted. It's survival for the awakened. What will you do?